I think our approach is very much client-centred. We do like deep engagement with customers because that way we can always be responsive to them. The size of the factory and the capability is huge. We're into every single part of the traffic sign market. We make everything from lollipop lady signs right the way through all the temporary traffic signs, through to all of the standard traffic signs, 30 mile an hour, 50 mile an hour, all those repeater signs you see, right the way up to the motorway gantry signs.
Seeing the big signs evolving on the shop floor, ready for erection on the motorway, it really takes your breath away sometimes when you see the sheer size of what they're producing.
And then into the electronic stuff, you know, the vehicle activated signs, the VMS signs, which are the messaging signs, the LED side, which is now coming into play. We also do commercial signage as well. So, you know, there's not a lot we can't do.
I've got people multi-trained throughout the factory. We actually get people trained in different areas, so they're multi-skilled, which means any rush orders coming in, we can actually move them to the pinch point and actually get the job out quicker to meet customer demand.
The workforce of Western Supermare have all been with us a considerable amount of time.
I've been working now for 20 years for the company. There's lots of variety here, which is one of the things that I do enjoy, because I make the VMS signs and the large gantry signs are always a challenge.
I've worked for EUROSIGNs for 10 years now. I think my team is great. We are a team in the sense that we all help each other.
Making good quality signs gives me good satisfaction that at the end of the day I know I've done a good job. We can guarantee that we can get certain signs out within 24 hours. You know, there's a lot of stuff that we're pushing out through the door at a quick pace, so we can guarantee customers a rapid service.
So collectively, a heck of a lot of experience right across sign making. That is a real strength, because I can walk down, we'll have a difficult situation, a problem to solve, and there'll be 2 or 3 people that can remember the last time that happened.
We fit high reflectivity vehicle graphics to police cars, ambulances, fire engines and all sorts of miscellaneous vehicles.
Well, the emergency services clients are great to work with. They're nice and direct, they know exactly what they want, we know what they want. Once all of the information's been put into our design computer, it gets fed through to our letter cutting team.
They put it on the computer, they produce the drawings. They save it into a file which we have access to. So we would open up the file. We've got a specific software that nests all the little pieces for the optimum material usage. The machine can cut up to 1500 long by 900. Then it's put together like a jigsaw, if you like, packed up and sent out to the customer. Police cars are involved in accidents, same as ambulances are. We number each individual piece, so they'll pick out the pieces they need to repair the car. And we've got a dedicated commercial salesman now, so obviously we're getting a lot more orders for commercial work.
With the Chapter 8 requirements as they are, we like to make sure that we are producing a quality product. All of our fitters are 3M accredited. They've all done numerous and ongoing training as well.
We pay a lot of attention to detail. Everything has to be perfect. A company goes nationally, so wherever you want us, really, we will turn up.
LED technology is advancing all the time, and we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of what's going on in the marketplace and in technology.
A traditional sign will be illuminated either internally by fluorescent tubes or externally. Now, when you're using a traditional lighting method, you're going to get a fairly low light level. The LED sign can give a light level up to 450 candelas per metre squared.
So an LED solution for us as a master sign maker is a fantastic opportunity. We can now do very different things with the LED lights.
Zeta spun out of Oxford University 22 years ago. EUROSIGNs were looking for technical expertise with electronics and LED design, and that's Zeta's area of expertise.
Well, jointly we're developing what will be the best LED sign in the business, in the marketplace.
Zeta is right at the leading edge of LED technology. We work very closely with the LED die manufacturer, so we can offer a very high quality LED product that not only offers superior light output, but is also going to offer the long life, which is crucial to this application.
Cost savings can be day one. If you're looking at a 240 install, the slot cut installs can make day one savings. But the total life saving cost is around 60% less than a conventional overhead lit sign.
These, because they're 12 volt, they can run off a 12 volt battery, so you don't have to have no mains at all. So if you've got an area that there's no mains, the cost of actually putting mains in is quite high. So you can run it on a solar panel, additional wind turbine to generate more power. That will charge the battery up.
Any client can come to us with a challenge. Recently we had Kensington and Chelsea come to us with a stainless steel hoop. That arrived here on the Friday. We had the sign finished on the Thursday, and it was installed the following Friday and is up and running now.
One of the key things that EUROSIGNs provide, as well as a bespoke manufacturing service, we also have our specialist installation business, our infrastructure services. Like everything else in life, something that appears simple can be very complicated. They're working at height, they're quite a long way from the ground, but if you don't get everything aligned properly, you won't get the sign to look the way it was in the shop floor.
The main thing is to make sure it all fits. That's the main one. Your first two panels take the longest. You've actually got to measure it all, make sure that they're level. So once you've got the bottom two panels on, it's just a matter of stacking each panel on top of the other one, then and making sure that they're all lined up. Basically work all over the country, yeah. So I could be in Kent next week, I could be up Scotland, it could be anywhere really.
We like to make sure that we are producing a quality product.
It's nice knowing that you're doing something to help them out.
Customer satisfaction is our main aim.
I really want to get across, our competency, the skill base that we have. And if you don't innovate and change processes, you're going to be left behind.